Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. I just give you a nice lovely fried up saltfish. It's a 20 minutes recipe, and you can serve it with some rice, plain rice. Basically the way how to do this one is to boil off your boneless saltfish. That's the first thing you want to do, and cut up some veg, and also you can put on the rice in the rice cooker. And in the meantime, things is rolling. You can be cutting up your season, fry it up for 10 minutes and serve it in 20 minutes time. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a simple, we're gonna fry up some saltfish, and two things. I'm gonna show you how you can either serve it with rice, or you can also serve it with water crackers as a appetizer. Look at this, guys. First thing what you need to do, to be honest, at the moment, basically I'm cooking my saltfish. There's a lot of my video on my YouTube channel show you how to cook saltfish at home, and I'm gonna place the link below. So first thing we're gonna do is cut up some spring onion like this, very finely. That's the first thing you want to do, is to get rid of the spring onion. And some all of these ingredients which we're going to use straight on the saltfish when we're going to fry up it. Alright, so I'm just cutting up all of these ingredients because it's going to be needed. Nice and lovely. So I'm just cutting up them very, very, very small. So I'm gonna show you how you can fry up a saltfish and serve it, whether with rice or, but I'm gonna make a nice lovely appetizer from it, and you guys gonna see. This is some tomato which I'm cutting up also. It's nice to have tomato in fry up saltfish, guys. Just give it a nice lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste. And I'm using some boneless saltfish, so I know you guys gonna be loving this. So as you can see exactly what I'm doing right here, look at that. This is some white onion, and it's just give it a lot of flavor from the white onion, guys. As you can see, that's the white onion. Right over here I have basically this is some yellow pepper, and I'm just gonna give it a color also, very finely. But to be honest, guys, they don't need to chop it like the way I'm cutting it, you know what I mean? You can cut it here kind of way. So all of these veg gonna be right straight inside of that lovely saltfish. So at the moment, as I say, I'm boiling off my saltfish, which is gonna take roughly about 10 to 12 minutes. It's almost finished now. That's the first thing what you want to do. Then you cut up your seasoning. But now we cut up the seasoning, I'm gonna get my saltfish and I'm gonna cool it down and show you how it look like. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, this is saltfish right here, and this is some sweet corn, roughly a handful of sweet corn. So I'm using some frozen sweet corn, so all you have to do is just wash it off and it come out really nice like this. And this is the veg right here. So basically we want to fry up all of these together, and I'm going to show you what you can do next. So guys, enjoy it, and hopefully this will be a really nice idea for someone, and you can share it with someone else also. So thank you so much for watching my cooking show. So we're going to show you how to fry up all of these things right here and serve it on the water crackers like a dessert or with plain rice. Enjoy it. Lovely. So right over here I got a medium-sized frying pan on the stove so far, and I'm gonna pop roughly 2 tablespoons of, I'm using olive oil, which is very easy to use. Olive oil is really good for you guys, to be honest. Basically what I'm gonna do is simple pop in my veg. Because the reason why I can pop in my veg, my frying pan was on the stove at roughly about 3 to 4 seconds, so it's a little bit warm, and I don't want it too fried up and burn me. So I just make sure I put it in like this. So basically give it a nice little stir. So as you can see, the color oil looking so lovely inside of the frying pan. So I have it on a medium sized heat at the moment. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime also is put a teaspoon of paprika, and a little bit of coarse pepper, so basically I'm gonna be frying up this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, oh, it's frying up so lovely and nice. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in the saltfish, sweet corn, and give it a lovely stir. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, the way it looks, it got a lot of veg inside of it, and to be honest, it got a lot of taste and flavor towards it also. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop a little bit of ketchup. A lot of chefs say, oh, you're using ketchup as a Caribbean chef. No, you need the food to taste really nice, and that's why you have to add ingredients. So give it a stir just like that. Nice one. So leave that for make it simmer down for one another 4 to 5 minutes. Turning upon a medium sized heat and leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see this now, guys, this is finished. I don't need to go any further with it. As you can see, that's looking so lovely and nice. So now I'm gonna shear it out and the water crackers. And as you can see, the saltfish and the veg, everything didn't take too long, probably about everything would come up to roughly about 20 minutes the least, because the saltfish take about 10 minutes to cook off, and also this take roughly about another 10 minutes to fry off. So very easy and simple. So now we're gonna shear it out and make some appetizer with this saltfish for you guys. Look at this now. Nice and lovely. So basically what I did, you know what I mean, the saltfish, someone asked me for a recipe on saltfish, and this is just a 20 minutes recipe served with rice. Saltfish and rice. I did a lot of video with this before, but you know what I mean, never too much. You know what I mean, people like ideas and like ways where they can do stuff at home. So basically, hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. You know, your rice, you can cook your rice in your rice cooker at home and it come out lovely and nice. Meantime, you're frying up that lovely saltfish. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. See you next time. Bye bye.